So there is a difference between the primary succession and secondary succession. In the primary succession takes place an over area where no community has existed previously, means there is no community previously. And in the secondary, it begins in an area where natural biotic communities have been destroyed, such as in abandoned farmlands, burned or cut forests, lands that have been flooded. In primary succession or on a terrestrial site, the new site is first colonized by a few hardy pioneer species that are often microbes, lichens, and mosses. And in the secondary succession, since some soil or sediment is present, the succession is faster than primary succession. And succession of plants is called hydric or xeric succession, respectively. Hydric succession takes place in water areas, and successional series progress from hydric to mesic. Mesic means neither too much dry or nor too much wet. And in Xerac, succession takes place in drier areas, and the series progress from Xerac to Mesic, means both have the changes to the Mesic succession. So, what is autogenic and allogenic succession? When succession is brought about by living inhabitants of that community itself, living inhabitant of that community itself, the process is known as autogenic succession. And while change brought about by outside forces, then it is known as allogenic succession. Autogenic succession is driven by biotic components, and allogenic is driven by abiotic components. And what is heterotroph and heterotrophic succession? Succession in which initially green plants are much greater in quantity. Green plants are much greater in quantity is known as autotrophic succession, and the ones in which heterotrophs are greater in quantity are known as heterotrophic succession. So we have complete our second chapter. Thank you, class.